Oh, my fun Ashanti tree lovers. Today we are going to learn about our seasonal greetings. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. In Asante, we say Mema wo afinshia pa, Mema wo afishia po. Mema wo afishia po. Literally meaning I give you a good year. I give you a good year. Mema wo afishia po. Then the response is Afinko mmeto yen. Afinko mmeto yen. Afinko mmeto yen. Meaning, may we live to see the next year. May we live to see the next year. So, I will greet you. Mema wo afishia po. Mema wo afishia po. Afinko mmeto yen. Afinko mmeto yen. I hope you can use this to greet your friends for this Christmas season. I would like to end up here. Next week, we shall have our Zoom lessons. So remember to join us. Bye.